Hey, guess what? Camera lens is filthy. So some guy just informed me I'm unloading and shit. I guess they were looking at the trails and stuff, so we're gonna see if there's any police officers tonight. Alright, all ready to rip. Just gotta set the GoPro up on the helmet. I could hear a quad in there. It could be a cop, I guess. They do ride quads out here a lot, so I guess we'll see what happens. I don't think they'll be able to catch me anyway. I mean, there's only one entrance and one exit to where I am. So, just switch out the battery, set the GoPro on the helmet, fucking ride out. Trails, dinner time, yeah. Doesn't look good. Why they always picking on me? So I'm out here riding and hot out. Not really, a little warm. Anyway, that's beyond the point. I'm out here filming some stuff just for fun and getting it in, and yeah, what was my point? Oh yeah, here's the point. Just wanted to do like a quick vlog since I'm out here. I haven't done one in a couple days. Really haven't been doing much except for like hanging out, planning out new movies, shoot things, short movies. So yeah, out here riding, having fun, and it's like 7 something at night, and that's about that really. So got warmed up, sun's kind of going down a bit more now, and yeah, I don't know, let's go rip. Here's some GoPro footage, and here's some GoPro footage. done riding for the night. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick vlog. I figured I haven't, you know, uploaded anything in a couple days, so figured people would enjoy, you know, a little bit of riding and stuff like that, messing around in the woods, you know, typical vlog stuff. Yeah, so that's about it. I do have a movie that I'm gonna start filming this weekend about coffee too, so be on the lookout for that. I'll update on Instagram and Facebook and stuff. But yeah, got a movie coming out about coffee and I'm really excited. So yeah, go get a picture of my dirt bike in the back of the truck and this beautiful warehouse lighting, or maybe some lighting over here. Call it a night.